welcome back to my channel, and today what I'm going to be doing is a Halloween DIY. I don't normally do them, but I saw some little figurines for Halloween in Dollar Tree and I couldn't help myself. They are so cute. So I'm going to make some candy jars, and then I'd like to thank everybody for your answers about whether to do Christmas or fall DIYs. Christmas overwhelmingly won, so yay, we're going to start Christmas DIYs on Tuesday. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this project. It's going to be so cute. You're going to need some jars from the dollar store, and it's the kind that have this ribbing right here, and it's just a white top. Okay, you're going to need 2 of those, and here is the little code on the bottom of the jars, and I'll also put it in the description box for you. Okay, you're gonna need some of that. You're gonna need figurines of your choice, but I love this little mummy. I think he is so funny and cute, and those little eyes crack me up. I just love it. And then his little blackbird, and then this little jack-o'-lantern I just thought was just too sweet. I think it is hilariously cute. Okay, and then you're going to need 3 candle holders from Dollar Tree, and then you're going to need some spray paint. I used the Rust-Oleum in the grape gloss. That's what I used because I wanted to just give it that funky little Halloween color. And then whatever kind of candy you want, I picked up this Brock's Pie Favorites candy corn. I'm pretty sure I got this at the Dollar Tree. It is apple pie and pumpkin pie, so I think that will be good. And then I got the M&M's Cookies and Scream, and they just look like that. I think they're gonna be real tasty and really cute, and I picked these up at Target. Then you're gonna need maybe some washi, and I got this washi from the Dollar Tree last year. It's just different kinds of washi, okay? And you're gonna need a glue gun. This is so simple. It won't take any time at all to do. Okay, so what we're first gonna do is just glue our candle holders on top like I always do. Let me move this down so you can see. Like I always do for my candy jar. So just put you some glue. Now I use hot glue, but if you're gonna be touching this a lot, or which you will because it's candy jars, I would use like either E6000 or the Fix-All adhesive and hot glue, and that'll work nicely and it'll be very secure, okay? Then the next thing you want to do, naturally you wash your jars first, and I just put mine in hot soapy water, and it does a really good job of taking that label off. And I think I'll put it right in here really. And you could embellish these as much as you want. And I think I'll put it on like this. It's easier to get it centered, I think, if you just do it like this. And I may have that off a little bit. Then turn it up and just let that dry. I think I did get that one a little crooked. And then we're just going to do glue on this one. Turn this over. I did get that a little crooked. Press down, raise it up, okay? All right, then what we're gonna do is go ahead and put our candy in. Now I did get this one a little, not the straightest in the world, and you can see I'm trying to get it off and I can't, okay? All right, I think I'm gonna put this guy on the taller one. So I want to put the candy corn in this one. And you can get 2 bags. I only got 1. And then just put your lid on. And let's move this up some. Okay, then all you have to do is just put some glue on the bottom of this little guy. Since this was on crooked, I'm trying to find a way that doesn't look as crooked. I think I'll go from here and just press him down. And you can cross his feet if you want. I think he is adorable. Oh, he is so cute. Look at that. And we're not finished yet. Then I'm gonna open my cookies and scream and put those in there. They're really cute. I'll taste it. That's good. And they have the little white blotches on it. I thought that would look cute. Okay. Now we'll just put some hot glue on the bottom of the little mummy. And we'll set him down here. They're cute. Okay, and here he is. I think he's adorable. But to me, it's still a little plain. I think they need something. So you can either take, you could, if you had some orange, you could take orange paint on it, put a eraser in it, and just dab on here to give it like round spots. Okay, I went ahead and put all my little orange spots, and I think it's really cute. Now what I'm doing is I have this pen. It's Craftsmart Multi-Surface Premium Paint Pen, and it's to be used on glass. You can use it on glass. And I've just started embellishing right here, just underneath these areas in the glass. And I think it gives it just a funky little look. I'm not trying to make this look, you know, perfect or anything, because it is for Halloween. So I'm not really trying to do that. But it's really cute and easy to do. And I think it gives it a really cute look. And if you wanted, you could embellish right down these sides. I don't know, let's see. Sometimes you can do too much and ruin something, but this is what we have right now. I'll show it to you right now. I decided not to use the washi, but this is what we have right now. I think it's cute. I really do. With all its little spots and everything. That's the tall one. And then this one is the smaller one. And you could always put more M&Ms. It would make it look fuller, but I think I may go ahead and try to embellish right in through here and see what this does, because I think it kind of needs something. And like I said, I don't really care if I have like wavy lines. It won't bother me. I think it's cute. See, that kind of helps, I think. And this pen really works good. I got this at Michales. It makes really quick work of this. And they had several colors, but they didn't have orange. I really wanted orange, but they didn't have any of the orange. I wish they had, but they didn't. And you can see what that does. I think it just adds a little bit. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. And you could draw, if you wanted a scary house on them, you could do whatever you really wanted to do. But here they are. I think they're really cute. I think they're really adorable. I'll let you see this one up close. It's kind of hard to see, and like I said, you could embellish this down in through here if you wanted. I just think that little mummy is adorable. And then here is this one. I think he is really cute. So, like I said, we'll be starting our Christmas DIYs on Tuesday, and I'm so excited. So here's my little Halloween candy jars. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.